Hello everyone! Welcome to the Maxi Pixie channel. Today we're going to draw and color cute dolphin. Let's start drawing. First, we draw the top of dolphin's head. Next, we draw dolphin's nose and mouth. And inside its mouth, we draw its tongue. Now we're drawing dolphin's cute eyes. And eyebrow. We'll draw the dolphin's fins. First, we'll draw the top fin. Then we'll draw the two bottom fins. We're drawing dolphin's tail, which is like a two-part butterfly. Now for the most fun part, we're drawing wavy ocean. And we're drawing the water droplets that the dolphin produces after jumping. Now we're drawing the sun. Let's not forget to draw a smiley face. Now we will use this black marker to make the drawings more visible. Great! We've finished drawing cute dolphin. Let's start coloring. Red for the tongue. Black. Light blue for dolphin. Gray for the underside of the dolphin's body. Light blue. Blue for the ocean. Blue for the drops. Yellow for sun. Wow! We've finished drawing and coloring cute dolphin. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.